Tofu with liempo guys. Pakitry naman nyo guys. Try na lang nyo. Ayan, oh. Guys, mainit na nating mantika guys. Gagawa pala tayo guys ng sisig tofu guys with liempo guys. Iniwa ko na siya guys ng ganyan kaliliit pa cubes. Yung guys, crispy na siya guys. Yan, hanguin na natin guys. Yan guys, yung ating sili. Habang nagantay tayo guys na magprito guys, ihiwa na natin to guys. Yung ating white onion guys. Yan. Labuyo natin guys, tatlong peraso. Guys, malapit na rin to guys. Ayan. Pala guys, yung ating liempo guys. Ayan. Yan pala guys, yung ating tofu guys. Ayan, no? Pakinggan nyo guys. Oh. Gagamit tayo guys ng mayonnaise. 800 ml lang to guys. Po guys, kuha na tayong sauce. Konting paminta guys, sokal guys, mga 2 kutsara guys. Yan. Ito guys, kalamansi 4 na piraso. Yan guys, nakaready na yung sauce natin. Kulang na yan guys yung ating liempo guys. Malapit na siya guys. Luto na po yan guys. Golden brown sila guys. Ito guys, crispy siya guys, kahit hindi mo pinakuluan guys. Dahan-dahan lang muna guys sa una. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Sama na pala natin guys yung ating liempong pinrito sa toko, ah. Natin guys yung ating white onion. Ano lang to guys, sisig tofu with liempo guys. Yan yung ating sili. Pwedeng ulam to guys, pwedeng pulutan. Kami guys, ulam namin to guys. Yung sauce natin guys na ginawa natin. Okay guys, at maghalo siya, combine lahat sila. Yan ang aking sisig with tofu. Yan, kasya na to guys, 6 na tao guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo guys yung aking sisig tofu with liempo guys, pakitry naman nyo guys. Try na lang nyo. Ayan, oh. Gustuhan nyo guys yung aking sisig, paki-like and share naman guys. Yun lang guys. Kain tayo guys.